Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are continuing our series of pattern therapy and today we will be learning pattern number 5. Subscribe for regular art tutorials. Just like our previous patterns, we will start by making an outline, and you can notice that I am dividing it at every fourth dot so that it will be easier for me to locate the dots and divide our sections into 4 by 4 grid. I am repeating this step horizontally as well as vertically. For the rest two sides, I'll just join the dots and complete the box. If you are a beginner, you can also mark on these sides. Next, we'll draw some vertical lines from every fourth dot that we have already pre-marked. We will repeat this step horizontally as well. Now we have smaller squares of 4 by 4. Now we'll draw the diagonal lines inside each square. Make sure these lines properly cross the intersection points. Make sure to do all this freehand. I do not recommend using a scale. We repeat the same step for the other two diagonals as well. This will be our basic framework from where we will start drawing our pattern. Now inside each square we have 4 triangles. And we will start drawing lines from one end. Notice the direction of my lines. Every next corner becomes my center point for drawing lines. So we have these lines emerging from all 4 sides. Let's watch it once more. Starting from the left bottom corner, I have started drawing lines, and I'll repeat the same step for all the 4 corners. And we will repeat this step for the entire sheet. If this is very confusing for you, another very easy step is to draw lines in one direction first and then move on to the next direction. Here I am drawing it square by square, but you can also draw it triangle by triangle. I will show you in some minutes. As you can see, I'm still drawing square by square, but from now it's triangle by triangle. So I've completed all the lines in one sided triangle first, and then move on to the next corner. So instead of completing one square at a time, now I'm completing all the triangles of one direction first. Both approaches are totally fine. As per your convenience, you can choose which one to use and move forward. You can also experiment using different color pens, or you can also use 4 different colors for 4 different triangles that we have inside one square.